Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els giving you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I have a review. This is not a craft supply per se, okay? But I could see this being, used. But it legitimately, this is a phone holder. Amy and I have tried maybe 20 different phone holders in the car, and none of them work. Mostly because, they're suction cups, and your dash doesn't have a flat surface. We tried putting it on the screen, the radio, directional, navigational screen, but a couple of good bumps and it would fall off right to the phone. A lot of them, the clips don't hold the phone, or if you have it in the clip, there's no way to put the charger on it. So we found this. It's two parts. It's a piece that looks like this and this. So you can put this on any phone, and basically it's just a magnet. So we used the 3M adhesive that came with this. This is a Temu item, and I think I paid like $3 for it. Yeah. But I have it on the front of my dash next to my display terminal. It's been on there for about 3 weeks, and if you know Amy and I, we use it quite a bit. There's nothing that impedes the charger on the phone, so you can just put the phone there and it just sits there, and the charger can be plugged in, and it works fantastic, and we've had absolutely no problems with this. Like I said, it's less than $5, okay? And you can buy extra discs to put them on other phones or other devices. So this is kind of cool and can be used in your craft room. Like, let's say you've got that pair of scissors that you're always losing, or the pin for your bottle. Maybe you have a paper clip and you take it off and you don't know where to put it because you don't want to lose it. You can just put it on there. So you could get a couple of these and maybe put them underneath, like a shelf or something in your craft room, or right in front of you, and you would be able to just magnet stuff up. They're nice size. It's the same size as this. Okay, so that's it. That's the whole thing. We're going to do a review on it because we do a review on everything. So I will be right back and we'll do the review. Alright, so today's item is this all-use magnetic holder. Well, it's made from a magnet and some aluminum, and, it's reasonably well made. Ease of use? 4. You do need to kind of, judge where you're going to put this thing. Price for the product, definitely 5. So this is the 4.66. I did lie a little bit. I apologize. I paid less than $2 for this item. So the price is definitely on. It is $1.48 for 5 discs, and they say that you can put it inside of the phone holder and it's still going to work. I haven't tried it. We'll try it, but it is $1.48 for 5 extra discs. So am I going to recommend this one? Absolutely. If you shop on Temu, this is a great way of doing it. The adhesive on here, fantastic. It sticks to the dash. Just make sure you don't do it when the dash is like 900 degrees. But other than that, it works pretty good. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.